Hello everybody, I came across this weird looking worm, so I thought I'd take a picture of it and a video. So this is the worm, it's the Caenoplana Coerulea, hopefully I said it right, and it's the blue planarian blue garden flatworm. So I'm just going to zoom it in a couple of times to show you. I couldn't really tell where the head or the tail was, so I thought I'd just go as close as I can, zooming in with my Pixel 7 Pro. So this is the actual head. Looks really weird. I thought it came from a horror movie. Looks very unusual. Lucky didn't step on it. And it seems like it's just making its way into a crack. If you've seen one of these before, let me know where you've seen it. And if there's anything interesting about this worm, let me know as well. I have no clue what this worm does or what it helps with, but let me know in the comments below.